Today I will be doing some Santa nails. So the first thing I do is I make a diagonal line using a white nail polish. And I do 2 coats of this because it was kind of patchy at first. And then I do another diagonal line in the opposite direction using this sparkly red nail polish. And then on the ring finger, or whichever finger you want the Santa hat to be on, create a French tip. It doesn't have to be like a perfect French tip because we're gonna cover it up anyways. So I just made a little French tip. My thing that I always do when doing French tips is I go in diagonally from one side, diagonally from the other side, and then I fill in the middle. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how I figured out how to do French tips properly. And then using a dotting tool, grab some nail polish and make a teeny tiny little half triangle down the nail. And then after that's done, using the same dotting tool, or by the way, if you don't have a dotting tool, you can use a bobby pin or a toothpick to do this stuff as well. Using the same dotting tool and taking white this time, I'm going along the free edge of the French tip, and I'm adding white dots to make like Santa's hair or the white stuff on the Santa hat. These dots aren't really that perfect, and I was kind of getting annoyed that they weren't like perfect circles, but it doesn't really matter. The only circle that really matters is the one on the tip of the Santa hat, and that is it. This is one of the easiest Christmas manicures. There's a lot of noise. This is one of the easiest Christmas manicures, and it's really fun. And I really loved having it on my nails. It's very easy, it's very beginner friendly, and it's great for the holiday season. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!